Hello guys, it's Mokobe here. In this tutorial, I'll be showing you guys how to read someone message on WhatsApp without the person knowing that you have actually read his message. Let's get into the video. So guys, the first thing you need to do is that you simply need to click on these three dots here. Once you're there, you click on what? Settings. After which you click on what? Policies. So once you get here, you simply need to turn off this read receipt. You put it off. So once you are done with that, we are going to now test. So I'll go to my other WhatsApp account. I'll simply send a message on that account. How are you doing? After that, I'll go back to the other account. I'll open it. So guys, you can see we just opened it. So I'll go back to the other WhatsApp account. As you can see, it is actually showing that I have not yet opened that message. So guys, that is actually the way you do it. Thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to leave your comments in the comment section below. If you face any difficulty doing this, we love you all. See you in the next tutorial. Peace out.